So you just finished learning artistry. So while you are learning, your boss used to get a couple of signage jobs. When I say signage jobs, I mean jobs that involve in cutting either a plastic or wood or different format from the design that you do on your CorelDRAW or on Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or different graphics design softwares. You get to know that, okay, for this particular kind of work, this is the price being charged. When you now finished and you now get certain works, there are certain times that most artisans don't used to know the price to give their customers. Even for experienced artisans as well, prices in Nigeria do change a lot. So there is now a need for us to kind of make it easy for them to get to know the cost of production for their works. So this is one of the problems that we have actually seen, because we've been into this business for several years and we've not been able to kind of identify that. Most often artists will kind of reach out to us to, okay, how much will it take us to produce this signage from you, TechVented? Can you give us a quote? And for us to give them a quote, we need to just see the design, load the design on our own system, look at the size of the design, check the different colors that the design has, then also ask them, okay, for this particular color, what do you want to do? Do you want to cut or do you want to just mark it faintly? That would be like a guide for them when they want to place the letters. These are the kind of the plastic letters that is being used in signage. We now have to go through a lot of stress in trying to just give them a quote, because we don't want to just give them a price that when they want to produce it will now differ from the reality of things. That way they will be like, you have given us this price and that was what we gave to the customer. So we need to kind of give them a price that is going to actually allow them produce the work, which is not going to allow them to even exaggerate the price for the customer nor underprice the cost of production. So you're now trying to do this without having them to pay is actually one of the problems that we've been able to solve. So that was one of the reasons why we actually automated the processes around laser quotation. That way they can quickly give their customers the best price that is going to be profitable to them.